everyone, in this video we will be discussing question number 84 of your MSET 2020 examination that is held on 9th September 2020 morning shift. Okay, so if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video will be uploaded. సో ఇంకో ఇంపార్టెంట్ విషయం ఏంటంటే మీరు మీ యొక్క ఫ్రెండ్స్తో మన ఛానల్ని షేర్ చేయాలి. ఒకవేళ మీకు ఏదైనా డౌట్ వస్తే ఇన్స్టాంట్గా హెల్ప్ కావాలంటే మీ ఫ్రెండ్ మాత్రమే మీకు హెల్ప్ చేయగలుగుతారు. సో ఇద్దరు కలిసి ప్రిపేర్ అవుతే మీకు ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి డెఫినెట్లీ యూ హ్యావ్ టు షేర్ విత్ యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. సో ఈ క్వశ్చన్ చూసుకుంటే ఏ బాల్ ఈస్ డ్రాప్ ఫ్రమ్ ఏ హైట్ h ఫ్రమ్ ద రెస్ట్. It means that there is a ball and it is dropped from certain height that is h and the ball travels h by 2 in last 1 second. It means that up to here, if we consider this is h by 2 and this is another h by 2, this half distance, that is the last half distance of the ball is traveled in 1 second. Okay, now the total time taken by the ball to hit the ground. We have to calculate the time from here starting to the end. Okay, for that we know that let n be the total time taken by ball. Okay, now we know that displacement s is equals to ut plus 1 by 2 at square. This is 0 because freely falling body, so initial velocity will be 0. Now s is equals to half at square. Now here s is equals to h and a is equals to g. Okay, so it will be h is equals to half gt square. So let this equation be equation number 1. Now we know that h is equals to h by 2. Okay, so that is this one. So let this equation be a. Now we know that displacement in last second, okay, which is small h is equals to 1 by 2 g times of 2n minus 1. So let this equation be 2. Now if I substitute equation 1 and 2 in a, that is I am substituting this one along with this in this equation, so it will become 1 upon 2 g into 2n minus 1, which is equals to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 gn square. Okay, so if I cancel out this g and this 1 by 2 and 1 by 2, the remaining will be 4n minus 2, which is equals to n square. Okay, so I am taking this 2 to this side, it will become 4n minus 2, which is equals to this n square. Okay, now I can rewrite this as n square minus 4n plus 2, which is equals to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation and it has two roots. Okay, if I take the factors of this one, I will be getting n is equals to 2 plus root 2 or n is equals to 2 minus root 2. So already it is said that the time taken to travel the last half is equals to 1. So the answer should be greater than 1. So this one will not be useful. So n is equals to 2 plus root 2, which is equals to n is equals to 2 plus 1.41, which is then equals to 3.41, which is your answer. So finally the answer is equals to 3.41 seconds. Okay, so in the same way you can use an academy as a platform to your success. Classes are going on in both Telugu and English languages. You can use those classes to crack MSET examination and the batch is started on 12th October. Now there is a new plan which is EMI based, so there is 0 So there is no cost EMI. If you want to purchase these courses, you can purchase in EMIs also. So if you have any money issues also, then also you can manage this. And one more thing is, there are free classes going on in Unacademy platform. You can use our referral code SADVUBIDDA to get access to those free courses. One more thing is, you can get 10% extra discount on Unacademy platform by using our referral code. So thank you for watching the video. Please share with your friends.